Ever wondered about the possibility of working in Dubai? Known for its towering skyscrapers, luxurious lifestyle, and vibrant culture, Dubai is a city that attracts professionals from around the globe. But how does one make that dream a reality? Here's a step-by-step guide to help navigate the process of seeking and applying for jobs in this dynamic city. First and foremost, identify the sector that interests you. Dubai is a hub for various sectors like finance, technology, tourism, and construction, among others. Research these sectors thoroughly, understand the job roles, and ascertain where your skills would be best utilized. Next, upgrade your skills if necessary. Dubai is a competitive job market. To stand out, it's essential to have an edge over others. This could mean acquiring a new certification or learning a new language. The key is to align your skills with the job requirements of your chosen sector. Thirdly, craft a compelling CV. Remember, your CV is your first impression. It should be concise, professional, and tailored to the job you're applying for. Highlight your achievements, skills, and experiences that make you the perfect fit for the role. Following this, start your job search. There are numerous online platforms like LinkedIn, Bait, Indeed, and Gulf Talent where you can find job listings. Alternatively, you can visit the websites of companies you're interested in and check their career page for vacancies. The fifth step is to apply for the jobs that match your profile. When applying, personalize your application. Write a cover letter that speaks to the job description and shows why you are the best candidate for the job. Once you've applied, prepare for interviews. Brush up on your knowledge about the company, industry trends, and your own CV. Remember, confidence is key. Finally, understand the legal requirements. If you're successful in securing a job, you'll need a work visa. The employer usually sponsors this, but it's important to understand the process and what it entails. That's it. It might seem like a lot, but remember, every journey starts with a single step. To recap, to get a job in Dubai, you need to identify the sector you're interested in, upgrade your skills, craft a compelling CV, start your job search, apply for jobs, prepare for interviews, and understand the legal requirements. Following these steps doesn't guarantee a job, but it certainly increases the odds. Dubai is a land of opportunities, and with the right approach, you could be on your way to a rewarding career in this vibrant city. Remember, it's not just about getting a job, but about building a career that aligns with your passion and skills. So take that first step today. Your dream job in Dubai might be just around the corner.